Running a tour business often means you'll face payment situations that don't fit your usual booking flow. Maybe a guest wants to book a private, personalized tour, pay only a deposit, or add an extra service later. To make that easy, Tripcart includes a feature called custom payments. Custom payments let you create and customize a personalized payment link for any guest. You can set the amount, add their details, and share a secure link they can use to pay online instantly. It's a simple and professional way to handle special payment requests while keeping all transactions organized. In this video, we'll cover two types of custom payments: customizable booking payment called custom booking and extra service payment called invoice inside Tripcart. Before we begin, let's understand when you'd use each one. A customizable booking payment is used when a guest requests a special trip that isn't listed on your site, maybe a private version of your group tour or a date outside your usual schedule. You can manually create the booking, adjust the price, and generate a direct payment link. Once the guest pays, the booking appears in your dashboard just like any regular booking. An extra service payment is used for collecting additional or follow-up payments like pending balances, private transfers, or upgrades. Instead of sending manual bank details, you can create a payment link with the exact amount and traveler details. The guest pays online, and you receive instant confirmation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create both types of payment links, helping you collect payments faster and more professionally. Let's get started. First, let's create a customizable booking payment. From your main dashboard, open the Custom Payment option from the menu, then click Add New. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Custom Booking and Invoice. Choose Custom Booking to begin creating your payment link for a tour. Now, let's fill out the basic information for this custom booking. Start with the title. This helps you identify the payment later. Below that, add a short description explaining what the payment is for. You can also add an image that represents the customized package. Next, choose the tour this payment applies to from the drop-down. This connects the payment to that specific tour, keeping your records organized. Then, select the start date and end date to define the trip's duration. If your trip has a fixed departure time, you can set it here. Finally, enter the number of travelers to help Tripcart calculate the total cost correctly, especially if your pricing is per person. Next, decide how your guests will pay. Under Payment Type, you'll see Group Payment and Individual Payment. If you select Group Payment, one traveler pays the full amount for everyone, perfect for families or organized groups. If you choose Individual Payment, each traveler pays separately using the same link. This is great when guests prefer to handle their own payments. After choosing, enter the total price for the booking. The last step is to fill in the lead traveler's details, full name and email address. This helps you make sure you have the right guest information because you'll be sending the payment link to them manually. When everything is ready, click the Create Payment Link button. Tripcart instantly generates a unique link for this booking. You can copy this link and share it with your customer through messages, email, or any method you prefer. For this example, I'm sending it by email. So once they open it, they can click the link and they can make a secure online payment right away. As you can see here, the link opens the checkout page for that tour. Travelers can also view the full package details by clicking View Details. The customized rate per traveler appears here, along with the total amount for the group. The lead traveler simply needs to fill in the checkout form with the other traveler's details and click Book Now to confirm the booking. If you've selected Individual Payment, share the same link with each traveler so everyone can complete their own payment separately. This flexibility makes it easy to manage both group and individual travelers. Once the link is created, it appears inside your booking section under Custom Booking. Here, you'll see all your customizable booking payments listed with their current status, whether pending, processing, or completed. You can also delete any record directly from this list if needed. When you open a record, you'll find details like the lead traveler's name, tour name, and the traveler information entered by the lead traveler during checkout. You can also edit or add the additional booking details using the Edit button. This gives you a clear summary of every customizable booking payment you've created, making it easy to track progress and follow up with your guests. Now, let's look at how to create a custom payment link for extra service payments. This option is perfect when you need to collect payments for add-ons, upgrades, or any extra services like private transfers, additional nights, or special requests. Go back to the Custom Payment section and click the Invoice tab at the top to begin. Start by adding a clear title so you can recognize the payment later. Then, write a short description explaining what the payment covers. Finally, enter the total amount to be paid. Next, fill in the traveler's full name and email address. Finally, click Create Payment Link. Tripcart will generate a unique invoice link that you can copy and share through messages or email, just like you did with the custom booking link. Your customer can open it and complete the payment online quickly and securely. This type of payment link is perfect for managing follow-up charges or extra services without needing manual bank transfers. These entries will appear under the Custom Payment section, just like your custom booking links. This means you can view, identify, and manage all your extra service payments in the same easy way, keeping everything organized in one place. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create both customizable booking payments and extra service payments using Tripcart. With these tools, you can collect deposits, upgrades, and one-off payments quickly and securely, no back-and-forth messages or payment confusion. Give it a try today and make it easier for your guests to confirm their trips with you. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe for more Tripcart tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.